Welcome to TradeSpoon. My name is Vlad Karpel. I'm CEO and founder of TradeSpoon, and today I'd like to go over current market conditions and trade of the week. Disclosures are very important. Please read them. If this is the first time you see the slide, I encourage you to visit optionscreening.com to understand the risks and suitability associated with trading stock and options, and you can read the remaining of the disclosures by pausing the screen. All right, these are some of the tools I'm using to come up with a signal. Model runs on the weekend. Actually, model runs every day for active trader. Weekly trader model runs on the weekend. And for spiders, you see that momentum is turning positive. We continue to stay above 7,500. Model doesn't see a break below 7,500 and continue upward momentum into the summer, right? So for now, I mean, up 4% I think is aggressive. But maybe closer to the next earnings season, end of June, maybe we can do 770. I think is reasonable. 780 I think is reasonable to continue grinding higher. We do have a broadening of the rally. Software names is probably one of the best charts. This week I'm looking over the signals. ServiceNow, Team, Datadog, Microsoft all continue to rally, basically on its way to retest all-time highs that were posted in July of 25. Another important chart is interest rates, right? If you look at the 10-year yield, we are below 450. Crude oil also dropped. So a lot of it depends on the geopolitical risks, obviously, but as long as there is a 60-day ceasefire and continuation, kind of a status quo, I think the path of least resistance is higher highs, higher lows. The risk would be the interest rates if the new chairman also decides to raise rates. That would obviously, if there's any policy mistakes, that would also slow down, reverse the rally. But for now, assuming there's no black swan events and status quo when it comes to interest rates, path of least resistance is higher highs and higher lows. I'm going with the software, June 12th, buying 100, 105 call, trying to get $2.30, and expires not this Friday, next Friday. Kind of using option lettering again. I have AMD position that expires this week. And finally, if you're looking for more signals, we do have active trader everyday model runs and publish signals, and this is something you can also use if you need more trade ideas. Thank you very much and have a great day.